Hello everyone, welcome to Systematic Sheet 7. In today's video, you will learn one of the most important Excel functions, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP helps you search for information in a table automatically. Instead of manually finding data, Excel does the work for you. So let's get started. So VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns information from another column in the same row. For example, if I know the employee ID 103 and want to find the employee's name, VLOOKUP can do that instantly. This function is extremely useful in HR, sales, finance, and reporting tasks. Let's understand our data. Here we have a table containing the columns employee ID, name, department, and salary. Suppose someone gives us employee ID 103 and asks for the employee name. Instead of searching manually, we now will use VLOOKUP. Now we write our formula in cell G2. Click cell G2, type equal to VLOOKUP. Open parentheses, select cell F2. Then add a comma. Now we select our table A2 to D6 and we add another comma. Now we enter the column number. Since we have to find out the employee's name, we enter column 2, that is the name column. Then we add another comma and type in false. Now we close the parentheses and hit enter. Excel returns Ahmad. Amazing, right? We found the employee's name automatically. Let's say we now want to know the salary instead of the employee's name. We change the formula to equal to VLOOKUP bracket open F2 comma same table range comma. Now we change the column value to 4 instead of 2 since we want to know the salary of the employee, and we add a comma and add the false statement and close the bracket. Now we hit enter. Now the Excel returns 70,000 because the salary is in the fourth column and employee salary is 70,000. One common mistake people make is forgetting the false statement. Without the false statement, Excel may return incorrect results. So, for exact matches, always use the false statement or add a zero. That's how VLOOKUP works in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe to the Systematic Sheet 7 channel, and comment which Excel function you would like to learn next. Thank you for watching.